Good morning to you, dear children. I hope you all are safe and sound by the grace of God. Hearty welcome to our online class of class 7, English 2. Chapter number 15, and the name of the chapter is Voice, Active and Passive. Children, very often we are confused about the concept of active voice and passive voice. Before learning active and passive voice, let us learn what is the meaning of voice in grammar. The voice has a different meaning in grammar. What is voice? Voice is the term used to describe whether a verb is active or passive. It is a quality of the transitive verb and refers to the relationship between the verb and its subject. Further, voice is divided into two types: active voice and passive voice. Children, let us learn what is active voice and passive voice with examples. What is active voice? Give an example. Active voice: sentences in which the subject performs or does the action and the object receives the action are said to be active voice. Children, you see the blackboard here, you see the example. Active voice: Meena cut the apples. Here the subject is Meena, who is the doer. Cut is the verb, the apples object, who is the receiver. Next, what is passive voice? Give an example. A sentence is in passive voice when the subject receives the action. In these sentences, the object of the verb of the active voice is placed in the position of the subject of passive voice. Children, all of you see the blackboard. You see the example here. Passive voice: the apples were cut by Meena. Children, you always remember that the active voice is used to focus on the doer or performer who cuts the apple. Here, Meena cuts the apple. Hence, the doer or performer is the subject. You see the example 2. The passive voice is used to focus on the receiver. What were cut? The apples were cut. Hence, the object of the verb in the active voice is placed in the position of the subject in the passive voice. Here the apples is the subject, which is the object of the active voice. So children, we have discussed about voice, active voice and passive voice. I think you have understood about active voice and passive voice. Now children, let us learn how we can change active voice to passive voice. There are some rules of changing from active voice to passive voice. They are: first, subject change; second, personal pronoun change; third, verb forms change. As we have given here, rules of change: subject change, personal pronoun change, verb forms change. How we can change the active voice to passive voice? Through subject change. When we change from active voice to passive voice, the object of the verb of the active voice becomes the subject of the passive voice. Children, once again I will tell you, when we change from active to passive voice, the voice of the verb of the active voice becomes the subject of the passive voice. For example, children, you please see the blackboard. Kaya washed the dishes. Here the Kaya is subject, washed verb, the dishes object, which is the receiver. Now you see here, the dishes were washed by Kaya. The object, the dishes, which is the receiver, is the subject of the passive voice, the dishes were washed by Kaya. I have already told you, children, when we change from active voice to passive voice, always remember that the object of the verb of the active voice becomes the subject of the passive voice, as I have shown you in the example. Children, we have discussed about the subject change. Now let us go for the second rule. Let us learn about the second rule, personal pronoun change. We change the object pronoun of the active voice to subject pronoun in the passive voice. Children, all of you see the blackboard. The object pronoun me is changed into subject pronoun I. The object pronoun us is changed into subject pronoun we. The object pronoun you is changed into the subject pronoun you. The object pronoun her is changed into the subject pronoun she. The object pronoun him is changed into the subject pronoun he. The object pronoun them is changed into the subject pronoun they. Children, you listen here how we have changed active voice to passive voice through the personal pronoun. Here a table is given, all of you see the table here. The teacher called me, I was called by the teacher. The teacher called us, we were called by the teacher. The teacher called you, you were called by the teacher. The teacher called her, she was called by the teacher. The teacher called him, he was called by the teacher. The teacher called them, they were called by the teacher. I think you have understood about the personal pronoun change from active voice to passive voice. Let us know about the third rules. Verb forms change. Only verbs with an object can change from active voice to passive voice. For example, we will come. The verb we will come has no object. Hence, it cannot be changed to passive voice. Now you see the second example, we will visit you. The verb will visit has an object you. Hence, it can be changed to passive voice. I think you have understood all the rules of changing from active voice to passive voice. Today, I conclude my class here. You go through the points and study in the home sincerely. Thank you. and please take care of you.